BIFA is a Borneo International Festival of Arts.
It is a movement that aims to transform Miri into a vibrant hub of artistic expression and cultural innovation.
BIFA opened the way that they can present their artwork.
The whole objective of this event over 3 days is actually more than just an art festival, it's also a cultural extravaganza.
Focus our eyes on the journey.
I'm really happy when I saw artists, they talk each other, they have the new group and they have the new project that they can do something for our Miri.
Program seperti ini adalah bagus untuk diadakan untuk setiap tahun di mana ia mengumpulkan para artis dan juga para pengkarya di Borneo untuk sama-sama berada di Curtin dan saya berharap agar ia dapat dijalankan setiap tahun.
It cannot happen if we don't have the support from Curtin University, especially the sponsor from MTCP that help us a lot.
We're here to collaborate on behalf of the Artisan Market and BIFA, and also a visiting artist. I'm really glad to be here.
We have a digital showcase here. This is a great opportunity for the world knows our culture here.
It's really been interesting because I've met so many people, I've learned a lot.
This is my first time in Miri, so it's been a wonderful experience.
Because in Miri, we seldom have this kind of opportunity. Yeah.
Over the rivers and mountains.
All the different paintings and the people and the vendors. Just such a great experience.
So we run wild and free.
So thank you BIFA for inviting me.
It's a good mix of handcraft vendors, food, and I really hope that this is an annual thing.
It is an honor and a pleasure to be here at this festival in Miri.
Focus our eyes on the journey, stepping into the unknown.
We are delighted to be part of BIFA.
The project that we have around us today is really intended to reflect the natural beauty of Borneo.
We felt very, very welcome here.
Great opportunity for all of us to share our ideas and get together with nice people.
We look forward to come here again, maybe in the future.
It's never too late.